Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, premium sound system, blind spot monitor, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, mirror memory, remote trunk release, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.